Okay guys, I'm back with another cell phone stand. It's a book stand as well. You could put a book in here. Sometimes I put my important letters here. And this one I made custom for a customer. And she loves purple lavender, and she loves little girls. She wanted a little girl's image on it. And this is what I came up with. And this is the trim that I have in my store, and I just use some lace fabric and some ribbon and mulberry flower. So let me know what you guys think. I made 2 of them, so there's an identical one that's going in my store. And if you like, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And thanks for watching.